Recently, we saw the opening of Cryogenics East after the acquisition that you made last year, the partnership. Can you tell us about the products and services that are going to be coming out of that new place?
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. So what we noticed in Cryogenics on the West Coast is that we are helping a lot on the field service. And that's 95% of what we do. You know, we help our gas companies, our customers, with their maintenance of the installations, the pumps, the tanks, you know, the valves, the regulators. So we're going to be doing the same thing on the East Coast. So we already have a crew for field techs, and then we're going to be doing like cryogenic trailers inspections. And people have been crying for this for a long time. So, you know, customers ask, we come and provide.
Absolutely. So in addition to that new location, you've also had a pretty decent shakeup in your sales team. So can you tell us about the key contacts that GAWDA members might be dealing with in their respective markets?
Yeah, absolutely. So we have the legend, the only guy, the tiger, which is Bill Jones. Don't get fooled by his age. I mean, he is a tiger. So Bill Jones takes care of all the west of the country, from Texas all the way to California and Washington. And then we have our new director of sales for the Northeast is Bill Arvelo. You know, he carries 29 years of experience. It's the king of specialty gases, so he's going to be a great resource to many of our customers. And then we have Nico. I barely know this guy. So Nico is new Southeast sales and marketing manager now.
Awesome.
Yes.
So I know you, Raf, you've always got something up your sleeve. So what do you got coming up that you're really excited about? And can you preview that for our members?
Every day is, we're always thinking about something new. For every GAWDA event, we always try to come up with something new. So right now, what we have right here that you haven't seen before is we partner with CO2 meters. Mm-hmm. We're going to be taking care of all the industrial gas side on the safety monitors. It's a great product. Great capacity of different type of gases. Like if you see this unit right here, mm-hmm. you know, they have up to 3 gases, and you can install as many of these as you need in your plant. And if you don't need to buy the whole monitor, you just install the different sensors in the different locations, and then we have a explosion-proof type of monitor. So we got the best partnership with CO2 meters and with the best products, and of course the best sales team with Equigas.
Absolutely. Last question for you, Raf. This is an exciting year. 8 years in the States, 40 years for the company overall. You know, what does it mean to kind of achieve that kind of longevity?
Very proud.
Yep.
You know, definitely I gotta thank my father, Antonio Arvelo, for having this crazy idea like the speaker we had this morning. He had this crazy idea, and I kid you not, the warehouse when we started, it was no bigger than this booth right mm-hmm. here. We had 1 pump, 1 meter, 1 hose with a couple valves. And 20 years later, when I left Venezuela, we had 60-some people.
Wow.
And also blessed with Rigo that brought me and my family to the U.S. But then, you know, we had a weakness, and we needed more distributors with more stock in the U.S. And the way we have grown, I always said we're really not that smart, but we answer the Dawn phone mm-hmm. and we ship the same day. And we get pictures of products every day, ship me this, ship me that. And our team, they answers the phone. They have 2-3 generations of experience. So they identify the product, they ship it the same day. So that makes me very, very proud of the team we have and the customers. We have been more than blessed.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Well, Raf, you absolutely should be proud. So thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you, Steve. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Nico.
Hi. Yes, sir.
We just had the Southeast Regional,
Yep.
and you were a co-chair this year, taking over for your dad. So I've heard nothing but rave reviews, but can you tell us about the experience at the Southeast Regional?
So it was a phenomenal experience. I mean, we had great speakers, we had great content. The golf was really fun. It was a very tight course, so you had to bring extra balls. And of course, everybody's talking about the BMW experience. That was really, really fun. I don't know how we pulled it off, and it was a great time.
So I know we're early on in the process. You just got finished with the Southeast, but can you give us a sneak preview of what you got in store for next year?
So next year we're going back to Atlanta. It'll be going to Stone Mountain, and more details to come.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right, so Nico, for all the people that came this year, for the people that might be coming next year, what would you like to say to them?
Well, we appreciate your attendance. We know we had a great time, and we hope to see more of you guys next year.
Absolutely. So stay tuned to the GAWDA Connection and the GAWDA.org for more information. Nico, thank you so much, buddy.
Sir. Take care.
Yeah, absolutely.